Final step of our setup here, then we can start growing some pot. Okay, this is the carbon filter inline fan assembly used for keeping the smell down during the flowering phase. That's the carbon filter, that's the inline fan. The ducting controls the air through the carbon filter and out of the tent. Okay, we will also mount the light at the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, she's got two long black straps with hooks on them. The hooks are going to feed over those poles and create a cradle. The cradle is going to be to hold the carbon filter. Okay, so she'll get that in there and then get the carbon filter ready. Okay, by ready I simply mean that we will put the duct on this carbon filter side and go ahead and secure it with the fastener provided. You just slip it on there and tighten it up real tight with a screwdriver, and then you're ready to set that carbon filter into the cradle that I mentioned. Okay, you get to set it in there, and then once you get it in there, you can just get it all situated and balanced out. No big deal. Okay, there's two short black straps. You're going to feed those through the slot there on the inline fan and then hook those on the poles. You'll notice that the black power cable is on this front side. Okay, she's going to put the other ducting on, fasten it with the fastener, clip that down, tighten it up, and then same thing on the other side of the inline fan, just tighten that ducting up real good. And that's all you got to do. You can throw that screwdriver away. Okay, like I mentioned, the other end of the ducting is going to feed up through that vent port, and you cinch it real tightly there so that you can keep any light in or out how you want it of the tent. So that's made to create a seal there and control that airflow out of the tent. Okay, as I started to mention, that black cord is going to feed through to the back of the tent, and she's going to slip it through the electrical port. You can't quite see it there, but it's in the back of the tent, and that cable just slips right through there, and also cinch it down tightly with the same type of cinch mechanism. Okay, so now we're going to assemble the light. The fluorescent fixture and the light bulbs come separately, so you need to take out the bulbs. When you do, you'll notice that there are two different bulb types, 3100 and 6500. The 6500 is for the white growing phase. The yellow flowering phase is the 3100s. When you put them into the fixture, you'll alternate them, 31, 65, 31, 65. Okay? Once you've done that, you can place that fixture at the bottom of the tent. Okay? Now she's taken the two straps, the hangers for the light, and just wrapping it over the top of the pole and clipping it on there. This part of the mechanism just allows the rope to be freely tensioned up and down. She's clipping it to the fixture that she put at the bottom of the tent. Like I say, that makes it easy for one person to be able to do this assembly. And then she kind of just slowly lifts it up. You hear the clicking sound as it goes up. During the growing process, you're going to continue to move those lights up and up and up as the plants grow taller and taller. Okay, feeds that electrical cord through the electrical port, cinches it up, goes around there to check the light, plugs it in, and basically, done deal. This tent is ready to grow some pot. Okay, let's do it. Light on. I think she's done. Are you done?